In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Figma files in a Miro board. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's dive into how you can easily get your Figma designs onto a Miro board. This is especially helpful for teams that want to visualize and collaborate more effectively. You'll need access to both Figma and Miro, so let's start. First, go to your Figma file. You can do this by logging into your Figma account and opening the specific design that you want to embed. You should see your design layout right there on your screen. Now, the next step is to select the file you want to embed. Once you're in the file, look for the Share button located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on this button. It usually looks like a box with an arrow pointing out of it. This will bring up a sharing menu where several options will be available for you. The third step requires you to click on the Get Embed Code option from the sharing menu. This will generate an HTML code specific to your Figma file, which is what we'll use to embed it later on Miro. Once you see the embed code, your fourth step is to click on Copy to copy this embed code to your clipboard. Just highlight the code and hit the Copy button. This code is essential because it allows Miro to fetch and display your Figma design right on your board. Now that you have your embed code ready, head over to Miro. Open a new tab in your browser and navigate to the Miro website. Once there, select your workspace where you'd like to add the embedded Figma file. Once you're in your Miro workspace, watch the bottom of your screen for a toolbar. At the end of that toolbar, you should see a plus sign. It's commonly used to add new content. Click on that plus sign and it will open a few options. Here you should type in Embed Content on Miro. It's important to note that this embedding option is available primarily for paid Miro members, so if you're in a free plan, this feature won't be accessible. But if you do have a paid plan, you're good to go. After typing that in, hit Enter, and this will allow you to paste in the embed code you copied from Figma. Just click on the area that appears for you to embed and paste your code there. This will let Miro pull your Figma file directly into the board, which is exceptionally handy for collaborative projects. Once you've pasted the code, Miro will process it, and your Figma design will be embedded right into your Miro board. You can now resize and move it as needed. And there you have it. You have successfully embedded a Figma file into a Miro board. This can save a lot of time and streamline your collaborative efforts, making it easier for teammates to visualize and contribute to designs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating.